I have just casted my vote. And as you can see, it's just like carnival-like. And I want to use this medium to commend the INEC management for putting in place a very transparent, hitch-free electoral processes. And again, the security agencies, they are doing very wonderfully. As you can see, the election is peaceful and orderly. So I'm happy about that. Thank you.
If I feel your heartbeat, will it sound confident? If I listen to your heartbeat, will it sound confident?
Very well. You should know. You know, as you can see, I am on ground. This is my village. I am close to the people. I am part of them. You can see, everybody is happy, just like carnival-like. So we are winning and winning very well.
Inshallah. Yeah.